Good morning, you guys. It is Sunday morning, and I wanted to give you guys an update because I love you and I'm so happy that you guys have subscribed to my channel, and I hate letting you down or feeling like I have, but this past 2 weeks have just been so crazy. I actually don't have a nanny anymore. She got sick and she is out for several weeks, and I actually have to find somebody new. But on my free time, I did finish the couch for you guys. So I will, sneak peek. So I will be posting a video after this week. I will work on all of my free time, just like I have been the past 2 weeks. I've been really trying to get this done for you guys. It looks so good. I'm so happy with the outcome, and I am going to bring it in like tomorrow, and I'm going to stage it and get all the pictures done and post it, and hopefully you guys love it, love the video, and are looking forward to it as much as I am. It's so comfy. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and that little beauty still has because I had to repair a button. Let's just say it just popped off. But yeah, so I had to do a few more repairs, and I finished painting, and it will be up next week with all of its stage pictures and everything, and I'm so excited to get that out for you guys. I'm so sorry. I am really trying to keep up with you guys and be honest with you so that these subscriptions that you have made are so worth it, because I am so grateful and so appreciative, and I want to keep you guys coming back for more than just these updates. And I actually have a little piece for my home that I'm going to flip for you guys too. Hopefully I can get that in the next video. If not, it'll be in the next video. And I'm super excited about that one because I get to use a few more techniques that I haven't tried yet. And I'm super excited because my downstairs bathroom has been in need of some storage. It just has a pedestal, sink in there, and a toilet, and nothing else. So getting storage in there has been like one of my #1 tasks for some reason. So I'm really excited to show you guys that as well. And I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for following me and coming along this crazy journey and just really supporting me in being here every single week. I'm so appreciative, and I love you guys, and I hope that you had a fantastic week, and I will see you next week with a video this time. Thank you.